How to fix Meta AI chat option not showing on WhatsApp. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Now to begin with, you need to firstly check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into a cellular data or enable airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. Switch into a better connection or a cellular data. Secondly, you must be assured that Meta AI is not quite available in all of the region. So make sure to check if Meta AI is introduced in your region or not. Another thing that we can do is we can force an update. In order to do so, just click on the settings option. Scroll down until you see apps and click on it. Tap on all apps. Head over to WhatsApp. Now start off by tapping on force stopping it, then heading on to storage and cache and clear it up. While you are in your setting, head back from here. Then search for system update and click on it. Make sure your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of your WhatsApp. Last but not the least, open up your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, search for WhatsApp. If there is an update button, just click on it and let it be for an update. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.